Aaron coached physique and bodybuilding competitors, the hardest, most detailed work in the sport. 6 years of prep videos and posing breakdowns had built a following of 300,000 who trusted him to get them to the stage. And he built it the right way. His own coaching program sold through his own site where competitors signed up, typed in their body fat, their measurements, their medical notes, their photos, and paid. He never once thought about the tools bolted underneath it. The letter came by email on an ordinary Monday, sitting there between a client check-in and a supplement order. Dear Mr. Cole, our clients signed up on your website, and before they ever accepted your cookie banner, your site quietly sent their personal information to other companies. The letter called that unlawful wiretapping under a California privacy law. It listed what fired, a script that recorded every keystroke on your coaching intake form, your checkout, advertising pixels that shared it all with Meta and Google before anyone agreed to anything. The damages, it said, are $5,000 per violation. To make it disappear, $56,300 within 21 days. Otherwise, a lawsuit. Aaron almost laughed. His site was built on a normal platform, like everyone's. So he ran a scan of his own website, and he watched it happen. The moment his intake page loaded, before a single client clicked accept, 15 trackers fired. One was recording every keystroke on his form. His competitors typing their measurements, their medical notes, their card numbers, and a script quietly copying all of it to a server he had never heard of. That is the part that gutted him. He had built the whole thing on being the coach you handed your whole body and your ambition to. No secrets, total trust. And his own website had been handing his competitors' most private details to strangers every day before anyone ever said yes. His lawyer was blunt. These letters do not have to win in court. Judges do not even agree they hold up. They only have to cost more to fight than to pay. That is the whole machine. They go out by the thousands because settling is cheaper than defending. $56,300. That was most of a year of what the coaching actually cleared. It was the second coach he was about to bring on. It was a punch straight to the gut of everything he had built. But sitting there, Aaron realized the fear had an answer. He could see exactly what his site sent and when, the same thing they had scanned. He did not have to guess or pay a lawyer $400 an hour to find out. He could face this knowing what was true and make his competitors' trust mean something again. Aaron earned every one of those clients the hard way, one grueling prep at a time. And the thing that nearly cost him all of it was invisible, running on his own website every single day. Right up until he finally looked. Don't let this be your story. Forensic Consent. See what your site sends before consent for free at ForensicConsent.com. Check the description for more information